Are you tired of losing money in the markets? Struggling to find a strategy that actually works and makes you a consistent profit? What if I told you I've developed an effective scalping strategy that's simple yet generates profits? This strategy has helped me produce winning trade after winning trade. The strategy focuses on the 5-minute time frame. Once I see the setup, I enter the trade quickly, set the stop loss and target, and scalp the move for profit. Then I repeat the process. I can explain this strategy to show you exactly what to look for on the 5-minute chart to identify high probability setups and avoid the emotions in less than 15 minutes. Are you ready to start profiting from this scalping strategy? I can explain everything you need to know to incorporate this system into your own trading successfully. Alright guys, hear me out. First things first, pull up TradingView and navigate to the indicator section. Then search for and add the super trend indicator. The way I'll be using this famous well-known indicator in this strategy will be a bit different than how others use it. So first, we'll want to optimize the indicator. So in the settings under inputs, change the ATR period to 7. And the ATR multiplier to 3. And under style, do it just like I have mine set up. As you know, the super trend indicator is a basic buy and sell indicator, and a lot of traders just jump into trades as soon as they see a buy or sell signal from this indicator. Like in these examples here. But what I'm gonna show you is that if you trade this way, you're definitely going to lose money on your trades, because the super trend indicator really shines when the market has a clear trend and performs well during those times. But like in this example, when the market doesn't have a clear trend, the signals it gives you lack the accuracy needed and end up costing the trader money. Alright, so how do we fix this problem? I'll tell you. Now go back to the indicator section and this time search for and add PP signal CFP Trend follow indicator to. After that, copy my exact indicator settings to match it perfectly with the super trend indicator. Alright, so see how accurately the CFP trend indicator finds fake signals and really boosts the win rate of the strategy. With the settings we've done, now if the CFP trend indicator is green and the price is above it, we should ignore any sell signals because the market trend is up. And as you can see, this sell signal happened during a correction and the overall trend was up according to the CFP trend indicator. So the sell signal got filtered out and the next buy signal was confirmed correctly and we could have made a good profit from that signal. And similarly, if the line turns red and the candles form below it, we need to filter all buy signals because the current market trend is down. So in this case, all buy signals that happen during correction get filtered out and prevent you from taking a loss. And now for the final step in making this profitable strategy, we need to add the BBX Trender indicator to the chart. As soon as you've added the indicator, make the necessary adjustments to its settings like I do in this video. By making those changes, the indicator now has two types of histogram, green and red. So if buy signal happens at the same time as the green histogram loaded of the BBX Trender indicator, the signal is confirmed. And similarly, if a sell signal happens at the same time as the red histogram loaded of the BBX Trender indicator, the signal gets confirmed too. So if you want to take a buy trade, we first need to follow these rules. First, we need to wait for a buy signal from the super trend indicator. After the buy signals comes in, the signal needs to be confirmed in multiple steps. So in this step, we need to make sure the signal candle is green. In the next step, the signal candle needs to be above the green CFP Trend indicator. And in the final step of confirming the signal, the histogram corresponding to the signal candle in the BBX Trender indicator needs to be green. So once those conditions are met, we can enter the trade when the signal candle closes. After opening the position, set your stop loss at the CFP Trend indicator line. And to take profits, you can exit the trade once the risk to reward ratio of your trade reaches 1 to 2. And also the same rules apply for taking a short trade, but with a few changes. First, we need to wait for a sell signal from the super trend indicator. Once that signal comes in, we have to confirm it in multiple steps. First, the signal candle needs to be red. Then the signal candle needs to be formed below the red CFP Trend indicator line. And finally, in the BBX Trender indicator, the histogram corresponding to the signal candle needs to be red. So once those conditions are met, you can enter a short trade when the signal candle closes. After entering the position, set your stop loss above the CFP Trend indicator line. And to take profits, exit the trade once the risk to reward ratio hits 1 to 2. But if you're unsure which strategy is best for trading, you really should check out this recommended video.